Hey there, customer experience community. This is Dominic. Welcome to another video. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, my name is Dominic. Contrary to the view, I'm not some dude who's making videos from the sea, but we do customer experience. So I've been a Zendesk consultant for the past decade. I've been a Zendesk partner for just as long, and I make these videos to bring you value. Whatever I learn, I come here and I make a video for you. Now, today I have 3 things I want to update you on. The 3 things I want to update you on are some good news and some bad news. I will start with the good news to get you in a good mood. Number 1 is Zendesk Relate. As you might know or not, I'm updating you nevertheless. There was an event, Zendesk Relate it's called, and during this event Zendesk announced a bunch of features and a bunch of new stuff it's doing and the direction it's going and everything else that is related to Zendesk. Now, I want to make you a summary of what was discussed during that session of Zendesk Relate. First topic was AI. Second topic was AI again, AI, and some AI. All right, so that was the summary of what was discussed during Zendesk Relate. So a lot of AI stuff. They discussed and announced an advanced bots add-on, which you can get for $50 a month per agent account, which is an integration with ChatGPT. It mostly relates to helping your Zendesk solve requests. So whatever comes in, the bot recognizes the intent and then it chats to ChatGPT to give the answer a suggestion on what to do, but it also leverages your knowledge base. So if you have a knowledge base, I kept banging this drum and look, it's actually coming together and the people are actually leveraging knowledge bases in order to help solve requests. So yeah, get your knowledge base in check and you'll be able to use this feature. All right, the second topic is drafts. So in tickets, you now can use drafts. So let me share my screen and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so if you can see my screen, I'm going to go to a ticket. I'm going to open one of my urgent ones. This one works as well. So look, in here, it's turn on draft mode. And as the name suggests, hi, dear customer, I want to update you, blah, blah. And if I want to submit it, it says, hey, this is the draft. Would you like to review it? This is a request that has been asked for a long time and it's now here and you can use this draft in order to write something and then move on and think about things and see if you wrote it well and then rewrite it and make sure that you do the right job as an agent to make sure that you give the proper response to your customer. This has been the good news. Now the bad news. Third update that I wanted to give you today, Zendesk price increases. So Zendesk is increasing their prices and they're doing it from July 12th. So it's still a month and something away. It's in the future, near future, and it's happening. So it's a 15% increase. They haven't increased their prices in, I think, 5 years, 4 or 5 years, something like that. I've been around for a while, a decade now, and yeah, this price has been here for quite a while. Yeah, we've had 5 years since we haven't increased it, and then there's inflationary pressures, which again, makes sense. Inflation was really going for it this year. Not only this year, but last year as well. So, they have to catch up with prices. Now, we are a Zendesk reseller ourselves, and we have let our customers know that you can in fact lock in this current price for another year. Only if you do a yearly commitment. So if you buy until that date of July 12th, if you lock in a year's commitment, you can lock in those prices. If you're a monthly subscription. Now for annual pricing, you can still lock in this price for 1 more year by, of course, committing another year and upgrading somehow, getting another license or licenses or upgrading your plan. So you can't just keep the same number of licenses and lock in the price. This has been the update so far from the Zendesk. I hope this brought you value. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Comment if you want to see some special content or if you have anything on your mind. Yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.